Hello and welcome to all of you, parents and students who are pursuing a specific plan to gain admission into a college abroad. My name is Prachi Joshi Johar and I'm a writing specialist. In this workshop, I shall be sharing some sharp insights into how the essay can be your make or break factor in gaining admission into a college abroad. We shall be talking about how you can weave your achievements and difficulties into a cogent story of breakthroughs and vulnerabilities so that you can come across as a person who's bringing in a lot of value to the college that you want to gain admission into. We will be addressing a whole lot of questions on essays. We shall be talking about what a Common App essay is. What is the length of a Common App essay? Are there any other essays that you are meant to write? Which prompt should you choose? What is it that is going to make it an outstanding essay? What is it that you need to write with respect to your achievements as also your weaknesses to come across as a person who's honest, authentic, and can do a lot of self-reflection easily? The whole idea is to bring out your story in a cogent, concise, and authentic form. Do join us, College Counselling Coach, on the 10th of June at 6 p.m. for a very interesting workshop on how to write your essay for the college application process. Have a great day.